So in this question we've been told that x cubed minus x equals 30, and that has a solution, which means x cubed minus x will equal 30, somewhere between 3 and 4. We're to use a trial and improvement method to find this solution, and we've got to give our answer correct to one decimal place. And we must show all our working. So what we're trying to find then is a number between 3.0 and 4.0 to one decimal place that gets as close as possible to 30. Now as it's between 3 and 4, you may as well start in the middle with 3.5. So I'm going to write down my choice of x first, 3.5. Then I'm going to write down the value of x cubed minus x. And then, depending on what that value is, I'm going to make another choice. I'll be quite lucky if 3.5 is the closest. So I've got a calculator on the side here, so you'll just hear me tapping away. I'm quite sure you can manage to do this yourself. 3.5 x cubed. Most calculators will have a cube button on it, so be familiar with that. Minus x, which is 3.5. I'll just show you exactly what I've done on my calculator. So 3.5 cubed minus 3.5 equals 39.375. So I'll put that in there, 39.375. I'm trying to make 30, that's too big. So because that was too big, I should choose a smaller number now. Now that was quite a bit too big, so it might not be sensible to choose 3.4. So I'm going to choose a low value now, and I'm going to choose 3.2. We'll see where that gets me. So I clear my previous work. 3.2 cubed minus 3.2 equals, and I've got 29.568. So that's very close, but it's too small. So to check if I can get any closer, I've got to try a larger number of x, because if I chose a small number of x, I'd go lower than 29.568, which is what I don't want to do. So I'm going to try 3.3. So 3.3 cubed minus 3.3 is 32.637. So it should be obvious, now that's too big, it should be obvious to you that it was 3.2 that was the closer. 29.568 is very close to 30, whereas 32.637 is nearly 3 away. So the correct answer then is 3.2, and that will give you 4 marks.